Hi there, I'm Nathan from Skoda in Aldershot, and today we're going to do a walk around video of our 19-plate superb Sportline. This specific Sportline is finished in quartz grey, has just under 20,000 miles on the clock and was registered in May of this year. The engine in this Sportline is a 2-litre TSI with 272 brake horsepower. It also has 4-wheel drive and the DSG gearbox. The interior of this car is very well finished. Being the Sportline Plus, it has the sport steering wheel, Alcantara sport seats, and they are electrically adjusted. The car also has adaptive cruise control just located to the left of the steering wheel, and a 9.2-inch display in the centre console. The 9.2-inch Columbus display has standalone navigation, SmartLink capabilities, and the ability to adjust other vehicle settings. Just under the display, we have adjustment for the dual zone air conditioning and buttons for the heated seats on passenger and driver's side. To the sides of the DSG automatic gearbox lever, you have buttons for the traction control, driver mode, auto stop start, boot and parking sensors. Under that, you have the ability to lock and unlock the vehicle, handbrake lever and auto hold. As you can see, with the seat all the way back, there's still an amazing amount of legroom for anyone of any height. As I think you will agree, this is a wonderful looking car. Currently on the market for £26,000. We have finance available on this car. For any questions regarding finance or any other accessories provided with this car, please call 01252 311 818. Thank you very much.